Hey everybody, coming to you live and in person. Well, okay, we're not live, but we are in person. I've never understood what that meant, because if you're talking, you're the person, but whatever. Anyway, coming to you from Wolf Creek. It's a place, okay? Hey, it's a place, northwestern Pennsylvania, Wolf Creek. Look it up. Anyway, we're out here in farming community on the way to the store, and had an early morning appointment with my ophthalmologist, and my eyes are doing good after the 2 surgeries. Well, my right eye, the left eye hasn't had any surgery, so yeah. So we can see pretty good with that. And east and west 80. I don't have to get on there, so I'm not. But yeah, oh, there's some ice. So anyway, some nice Case tractors. We're gonna do some shopping here. Nothing too major. Just a few of those things you need here and there. And yeah, it's 26 a little while ago, like minutes ago. Now this says 29. But I am going further south, so. Sweet Acres. Yeah. Brown eggs for sale. That's where I should have turned. Hate it when I miss a turn. We may be able to find another place up here to turn around. Possibly. Well, this looks like about as good a place as any. Watch children. Well, I don't really want to watch children right now, so we are going to move on. Now watch me do something even stupider than what I just did. I missed my turn coming back this way. Yeah, I know, you're probably thinking it's hard to believe there's a grocery store here in the middle of nowhere. But that's the way they do it in northwestern Pennsylvania, okay? I mean, hey. Tree farm 200 yards ahead. I want a palm tree. I want a sable palm tree. Let's see you pull one of those out from your coat. Yes. Now we're coming to you from Briscoe Springs. Not sure where that name came from. They probably named it after the wrestlers, Jack and Jerry Briscoe. You know who they are. World Heavyweight Wrestling Champion. Anyway. Have some good coffee. We had so much going on overnight. Girlfriend got an emergency call from her mother. She's ill. She had to go to her place to convince her to go to the hospital. The hospital she went to, they're transferring her to another hospital. Not sure why, but anyway. So my girlfriend was up all night. She's currently at work. She finally, got home this morning. Had to get some sleep. So we got up later than normal and ran out the door. Well, not really ran. We pretty much flew. Well, we don't have wings. We didn't fly, but we left in a hurry. That was my Hank Kimball impersonation. Thank you very much. But yeah. So anyway, like I said, I'm going to the store. There's some beautiful country out here. I would love to move, not like immediately in this location, but in this general area. So nice and peaceful. It's like your own wildlife preserve, man. There's all kinds of animals. I mean, all kinds. Such a beautiful place. But, it's just me. A lot of people would say, you're crazy. But, I don't know. I probably just have off-the-wall weird taste. But, yeah, it's so beautiful out here. There's a huge tree over there that came down. I don't know if it was from the winds we had a while back or the snow. Take your pick. Either way, it's not pretty. Not if you were standing out there anyway. Pretty good sized tree. place in the country. The speed limit sign with the speed removed. Wow. That's weird. Yes, you see we're coming into a little bit of a city here. And there is a grocery store straight ahead. I kid you not. Well, we made it to the store. Now all we got to do is go in. Ha! So much fun. Anyway, we'll catch you all later. Sorry about the long, boring video, but just thought I'd say good morning.